Yeah, I just waited a bit. The guys will edit it now. Okay, we get started. G'day guys, Javi Gavanian here, Smart Money Wealth Management. Thanks for tuning in and listening to our year in review and a little bit of an insight into what's happening next year across the finance and financial planning superannuation markets as well as across property markets. So let's start out with finance. It was a tough year. Definitely started out with record low interest rates, which was fantastic. There were some great opportunities there, which we were able to get for our clients and save them hundreds of thousands of dollars getting those, which is fantastic, and locked in some really good fixed rates as well. However, having said that, throughout the course of this year, APRA did make the lending criteria much tougher, and those tightening and those restrictions that are being put into play have particularly had some impact on people's serviceability. We also saw the fixed rates recently in the last 30 days jumping up. And, if you haven't already had a look at refinancing or what can be done now, is definitely a good opportunity to do so. Coming up to the following year, we also see that the interest rates, even though the RBA said they won't move rates until 2023, we can definitely foreshadow the banks moving independently of the RBA. So keep a close eye on that and of course, reach out if you need any assistance. With regards to the superannuation, financial planning, shares and managed funds, we saw and if I could take you back to 2019, where we saw a massive reduction of about 20 to 25% across the board. This year was a bit better because we actually saw a recovery of about 30%, which was fantastic to see. However, having said that, I think, and the synopsis here amongst us at our investment committee is we've only scraped the top of the iceberg. So we feel that there's going to be further recovery in the coming year. Now, an important development to also note was that halfway through this year, the superannuation guarantee contribution as of 1st of July increased from 9.5% to 10%, which is great to get more money into that super and prepare for that retirement. But we also saw the concessional cap move from 25 to 27,500, which means that there is some opportunities there if it's suitable for your circumstances to look at salary sacrificing and similar strategies to that. Now on to the property side of things. Property has been a very, very interesting game, and the decentralization of a lot of major cities due to COVID and people wanting to move, because of being able to work more remotely, move to these middle and outer ring suburbs has caused massive, massive growth along with those record low interest rates. What we can see from the property side of the sector is that in the coming year, we will continue to see growth in those middle and outer ring suburbs. However, the higher price point suburbs will tend to go sideways, and there will be some opportunities there to negotiate with vendors. So regardless if we're looking at for investment or owner occupier, there is some opportunities there on the property side of things in the coming year. Now, guys, as always, it's always important to reach out and have a quick chance to chat and have a review of your situation and see what opportunities there is and what exists. As you've heard, there's a lot there. So if you are interested, feel free to reach out, return the email, and whatever you like. Whatever you do, don't forget, have a relaxing break, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you all. Thank you all for your support in 2021, and we look forward to continuing our good work and working closely with you in 2022. Thanks very much, guys, and a Merry Christmas.